Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this bunny hanger, little handbag, and fabric from Dollar Tree. I start by removing all the things from the front of the bunny. For the ears, I had to heat it up to loosen the glue and then just use a putty knife to pry those up. Same with the lettering. I then removed some of the loose paper and sanded it down. I painted it with linen color chalk paint, and that's by Folk Art. I will be covering this front side, but the fabric is pretty thin, so I wanted to make sure that I covered it so you wouldn't see any of that through. The fabric I cut a little bit larger than the bunny. I then applied a layer of Mod Podge to the front. I placed down the fabric and smoothed it out with my hands, making sure that everything was nice and attached. I then dried that layer of Mod Podge with my heating tool. If you don't have a heating tool, you could let it air dry, or you could use a hair dryer. I then added a layer of Mod Podge on top of the fabric, again using my heating tool to dry that. I took some detailing scissors and tried to cut around as much of the fabric as I could. It's pretty difficult with all the little grooves in there, so then I just went in with my X-Acto knife and removed any excess fabric. I took the ears that I had removed and I painted those with that same linen color chalk paint, giving it a couple coats. Next, I'm taking the handbag and I'm cutting off the handles and removing that flower. And it was a little larger than I wanted, so I cut it down. I cut down 4 of those lined sections, just trimmed it up as needed, and set that aside for now. I took the ears and I hot glued those back into place. And the metal gets really hot with the hot glue, so I just used my finger protector to push those down. Once I had those down, I am adding some hot glue to one side of the handbag and then placing that into place, using the finger protector to push that down. I didn't want to push down from the front because then that front part will glue down as well. Next, I'm taking some twine and I'm wrapping that around the neck of the bunny a few times and then just knotting it, cutting off the excess twine. Next, I'm taking this flower that I got from Amazon and I'm hot gluing that over where the knot is. I then take my shears and just poke the holes where the hanger was. I take the original hanger and I add some tacky glue onto the ends so it'll stay together, and get it nice and small by twisting it and pushing it through from the back to the front and knotting it. I do that on both sides. I cut off any excess twine against the knot and then I add the tacky glue again just so that knot doesn't open up. Next, I'm adding in some Spanish moss into that handbag pocket. I cut down some lavender picks. These I got from Walmart. Just cut them down to size and place them inside that moss. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.